Hello, hello, hello! Welcome to Miami. I'm at SoFlo Cake and Candy Expo and I wanted to take you with me and show you around. You can see it's pretty empty because now it's around 10 minutes past 10, and usually if you come here to SoFlo, lines open at 9 a.m. I believe, and cake show opens at 10, so you can get in around this time. So let's go inside and walk around. And here, through the magic door, we are entering SoFlo Cake and Candy Expo. You can see here's the first place where you will need to register your tickets and to get a badge or a lanyard. Mine says vendor because I'm working and I have full access. And now is the fun part. We are at the SoFlo Cake and Candy Expo. This experience is amazing because you will be able to see a lot of beautiful cakes like this one by Tim Sullivan. And my favorite place, of course, is all the competition cakes. These cakes are so detailed and gorgeous, and a lot of them have wafer paper details. You know me, I love to explore different ways to work with wafer paper, and of course I'm looking for new cakes design like you can see right here. And next you can see a big stage. Today is Nicholas Lodge doing his demonstration on how to work with the gum paste. These demonstrations are included with your tickets, so you can stop by and watch any live demonstration on the stage, and it's an amazing opportunity to be here. Left to the stage, our first vendor is Sweet Elizabeth, and you can find these gorgeous sweet shots. And I saw this bag yesterday, the bag says it's a write-off. Isn't that funny? And they do offer here at the booth edible art paints, and I've been looking to buy their colors for a long time, so I need to stock up. Next place is Sugar Delight. It is my favorite shop to buy my tools and to buy veneers. You can see they do have an arrangement of tools and materials to work with gum paste, and also I use it for wafer paper. These are my favorite tools by Robert Hines, and these are metal Dresden tools and ball tools, and I do have them and I do use them a lot, and I can highly recommend to invest in high quality tools and materials, or like these ones are realistic veneers for your flowers. Next up is Julia Fedorova's booth. I have her book, and she teaches how to make lifelike, realistic, and very, very detailed and botanical correct flowers. And she has her own lines of veneers and colors, and they are really high quality. Here you can buy all the SoFlo merchandise. And here on this side we have Flexig. This is an amazing company, and they made a special product. It's called Flexig. And you can put it on wafer paper, and you can put it on different materials, like you can make lace and you can make any texture you want. Right here you can see it's applied on wafer paper. We have Innovative Sugar Works with their beautiful, amazing tools.
Hey, I'm Sid of the Sugar Academy. The Sugar Academy is all about business and helping folks in the baking sweets community. Yeah.
Saracino stand. I'm going to do a demo for them in an hour, in 40 minutes actually. So right now we have my lovely friend Sachika is here doing a demonstration. Hi! And of course artisan accents represented by the sweet chalet. I do have a whole set of artisan accents colors, and that's what I use. You only need 10 bottles, all 10 colors, and you can mix any combination you need, and they work beautiful for painting on fondant, for working with wafer paper, and even you can use a dilution solution and you can turn any of your gel colors into an airbrush color. They also have a line for chocolate, and for chocolate colors it's in these bottles, so if you're working with chocolate, these are the colors I would suggest you to get. And the nice thing about coming to SoFlo or any cake show, you will learn a lot about different products. Like this company, they just told me about their product that it's called cookie nib, and you can add it instead of vanilla, and it actually tastes delicious, and it's a flavor combination of vanilla, butter and salted caramel. So if you're making cookie or baking cakes, I would love to try this product. Most of the time you can find cake designs and products presented by amazing cake artists, like here stencils by Angela Morrison, and I would definitely need to buy one of her stencils. So now the show is open to everyone, and here next to us is How to Cake It Yolanda Gum booth. And here where you can find my favorite petal dust and glitter colors by the Sugar Art, and I buy from their website, and I have a coupon. I will put a link down below. But here you can see another good reason to come to cake show. You can find items on sale, like right here, the Sugar Art petal dust, $2.99 instead of $4.99. So it's a good place to stock up on your supplies. Saracino's booth is one of my favorite places to visit because they have ongoing demonstrations by Saracino's cake artists, and they show how to work with different products, how to create designs using Saracino's products. If you see green booth, that means Nicholas Lodge is here at the cake show, and he offers a variety of molds and products that would help you create beautiful decorations out of gum paste, and even decorations for your cookies. Let's take a look at his cakes. Of course, the place to buy your isomalt is Semi Cakes. I use their isomalt for all my decorations where I need to use isomalt, and they do carry a lot of different colors. I never seen this one before. Look how pretty that is. And green one I use for especially around Christmas and for gingerbread houses. You can find a lot of beautiful colors, and you can find a lot of tools. If you're working with isomalt, Sydney makes her molds. They are high temperature safe, so you can pour isomalt into these molds. And here's our American Cake Decorating magazine booth, where you can subscribe to a magazine and look up close to our cakes and decorations. Here are my wafer paper flowers. So I just learned about this new hazelnut flavor and I wanted to try and use it for my wafer paper conditioner. And that is another place where I wanted to buy a few lace molds. They do sell beautiful designs and I wanted to stock up on those too. So Icing Images is another place you can buy wafer paper, and they offer large variety of paper or edible paper products, smart sheets, wafer papers. They do have pre-colored wafer paper. I use it in one of my tutorials, this pink one. And another tool I buy from Icing Images all the time is this craft knife. This is a retractable craft knife that I use in my Magnolia tutorial, and it's food safe, so it's made to use with fondant and other edible materials. They got a new machine, or they developed a new machine.
And Big Blue is a food printer, so you can print on cookies, cupcakes, cakes, macaroons, and you can even print on top of hot drinks if it has like a foam on it, like a cappuccino or a hot chocolate. The bed can go up and down. It's actually 8 inches, so you would be able to put a 7.5-inch tall cake on it.
We are coming back in the world of cake tins and cake dummies, where you can buy all your packages, all your boxes. It's very useful to have on hand, especially if you need to deliver smaller cakes and leave it with your clients. And same for cake boards. If you need any shape and any size, here's the place to be, because it's very sturdy and you can see how thick this cardboard is, and the owners are just amazing people. And if you love airbrushing and you want to work with the airbrush, Mark is your guy. And they work, this is the stand for Greg's airbrushes, and I never, I don't airbrush much, but when Mark shows me how to do this, it's so easy. So that is another place where you can buy your airbrushes and all the details you need to work with that. I hope I will have a chance to stop by a little bit later and demonstrate you how to use it if you're interested in working with an airbrush. And here, almost at the start of the show, is our booth, the Sugar Geek Show. Beautiful ladies working on their decorations. We have a lot of mushrooms so far. And here's our lady. She's coming together. Here on this side we have Puppy Paint. They are our neighbors. And we have one row left. We have Sugaring and Karen Partaleo's paints. You can see these are amazing paints. And now I'm back at Saracino booth. I'm teaching a class in about 2 minutes, so I hope you enjoyed this little walk around, and let me know in the comments if you wanted to visit other cake shows with me, and I'm going to start preparing for my class. Bye bye!